Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to come on here to do a little unboxing. So this is my newest addition to my Yes, You Got It handbag collection. However, it's a little more casual, a little more less fancy, let's say, than what I typically go for. And you'll understand why in just a bit. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's my big box. Now I purchased this on Farfetch, but as you will be able to tell by the end of the video, they sell this bag everywhere. Multiple stores do carry it, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's get on with the unboxing. Now this specific one I did order, comes from their boutique in Japan. So, as you can read, this is a Marc Jacobs bag that I did decide to purchase. And I'm just gonna rip it for you all. And yes, you guessed it, I got myself the tote bag. So I did decide to get this bag with a specific purpose in mind. So let me just show you the front quick. And this is the back of the bag. So when I did decide to purchase this, I was really looking for a gym bag. You know, I travel to the gym multiple times a week and I just wanted like a durable, cute bag that I can just fit all my stuff, all my gym stuff in and like just grab and go when I'm on the run. So I did decide to go for the tote bag, and honestly, before purchasing the bag, I looked high and low. I debated between getting canvas bags, like a Louis Vuitton canvas bag, or just other bags in general. I decided on this one for many reasons. First of all, this one is made in like canvas, so it's like a material, a thick like cottony material, so it's very durable. It won't get ruined. And just, it will last a long time and I don't have to worry about scratching it, ruining the corners, whatever. That is not a worry for me. I know it will last. Secondly, it is quite a spacious bag. I did get the large size, so the biggest size available. And I don't know if you can see that, but it is quite large. So it does fit a lot. And I wanted something that I had enough space to like carry all my essentials, my water bottle, a change of clothes, my runners, AirPods, keys, whatever you name it. I wanted just a bunch of stuff to fit in this bag because when you do go to the gym, I do tend to like carry a lot of stuff back and forth between my water bottle, a change of clothes, so on and so forth. And another great advantage to this bag is that it is zipper closure. So as you can see, I can close it like this and I don't have to worry about my belongings falling out of the bag. I know everything's safe and sound, although there is some room at the sides, but not big enough for anything to fall out. What I loved even more about this bag is that it does come with different compartments on the inside. So I'm just gonna open the bag again to be able to show you. So it comes with a compartment like this on the inside. And what's great, what's absolutely fantastic about this bag is that pocket compartment, well, it's zipper closure as well. So I can carry my more important stuff like my wallet, keys in that little compartment. I don't have to worry about digging for it at the bottom of my bag. I know that everything's safe and sound and I can reach for my more important smaller objects like I said, my keys, my credit card, my lip gloss easily when I'm on the go or when I need to. So those are the main reasons why I did decide to go for this bag. Also, it is very cute. I find it just adorable. It's trendy, it's cute, it looks good. It's not it doesn't look like a big old duffel bag that like people bring to the gym. I mean, I can wear this to the gym and still look stylish and cute. Now, although I did buy this with the gym in mind, it is a very good work bag as well, just because of all the reasons I mentioned before. And honestly, as for cons, I've been talking really well about this bag. As for cons, well, you know, I just don't have any cons at the moment. I mean, maybe the fact that it's not waterproof just because it is canvas, although the canvas is pretty thick, so before your belongings do get wet, I don't think it'll take a while. So I guess, and I also realized is that the inside of the bag, although it is canvas, it's like finish. There's like a type of finish, like rubbery or plasticky finish on the inside. So if you do put wet things inside, well, it won't ruin the inside of the bag. So I guess it can be worn as a beach bag as well, now that I look at it properly. So you have your gym bag, beach bag, work bag, all in one. So as for the cons, like I said, I can't think of any off the top of my head right now. I'll let you know in my 2-year review. So like I mentioned, the bag is all in like this cotton canvas. It does have 2 handles, 1 interior pocket. So there's 1 big pocket closed by a zipper with 2 smaller pockets as well over here. Other than that, there is really not that much hardware on the bag. The little hardware there is probably just the zipper pull, and that's like black hardware. That's not silver nor gold. So the front of the bag, it just says the tote bag Marc Jacobs all over the front in white. The back of the bag does have this little patch sewn onto it. This little Marc Jacobs patch. You also have the Marc Jacobs name written or stuck onto the pocket. So that's about it for the logos on this bag, although it is quite a bit. It's 3 times, so, but that's it. The inside is unlined, but like I said, there's kind of like a plasticky rubbery finish. And what I like is that the seams inside the bag are covered with like an extra layer of material. The extra layer does say Marc Jacobs all along the interior. So 4 times you have the logo, but I like that it just kind of reinforces the bag and makes it just more durable and stronger. And there is no shoulder strap for this bag. I mean, you can't wear a crossbody, but you can wear it in the crook of your arm and over your shoulder. So there's not really a reason for a shoulder strap, to be honest with you, like a bandoulière. I feel like with the 2 handles you already do have, they are quite large. That's more than enough arm room to just wear the bag over your shoulder. So like I mentioned, this is the large size, so it's the biggest size available, but it also does come in 4 different sizes. So we have micro, mini, and the medium size, which was formerly known as the small size. The bag does come in a variation of colors, different colors and materials, so it's whatever you're going to use the bag for. I guess you can choose the material and the color according to the functionality of the bag. I just wanted a plain and simple gym bag, so I went with a plain black color. It's durable, stylish, subtle, cute, and it just does the job. As for the dimensions, I don't remember them by heart. They will be on the screen and in the description box for sure. From memory, it does measure 17 inches by 13 by 6 inches maybe, but take a look in the description or on the screen, it will be written. And as for what fits inside, well, it is pretty spacious and roomy, so there is a ton, like I did mention, all your essentials will fit. For those of you who are thinking of using it as a work bag, well, the large size, so this bag right here, this variation, it does fit a 15-inch laptop. As for pricing, it is very well priced in my opinion for a large tote bag. So this bag does go for $300 Canadian and $225 USD, which I think honestly for a tote bag that is very well priced, especially it is a Marc Jacobs tote bag as well, so you are kind of paying for the name, but still they can easily jack the prices up a couple of $100s, and I feel like it would still be a bestseller. Obviously the price does vary depending on the size and the material you do decide to get, but the pricing I am talking about is for the black canvas large tote bag. I got this one, like I did mention before, on the Farfetch website, but there are many places and websites that do sell this bag. It is available on websites like Essence, the Marc Jacobs website itself, My Teresa, Holt Renfrew in-store, and on the website for those of you living in Canada, as well as many more. I just named a few. I will leave all the links in the description box below, So for those of you who have questions or want to see the table I was referring to, the size comparison table, it will all be in the description box below. And with that being said, well, that's all I have to say for today. I did decide to purchase this bag with a specific function in mind, and I do think it is a great purchase just because the bag is so durable, it's high quality, it's stylish, it's cute, it fits a ton, it keeps all my belongings safe with multiple zipper closures. As well, it is very reasonably priced. I mean, there are no tote bags, especially designer tote bags of this size, that do go for under $1,000, or it is very rare anyway. I know it's not leather, and that is one of the reasons why the pricing is not over $1,000, but still, it's still a Marc Jacobs bag, and they can get away with pricing it higher, which they didn't, and I respect that. So if you do have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more luxury videos, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!